This plane was flown by many of the different groups. P47 was flown by U.S. and British pilots during World War II. This is a gasoline-powered engine, powered by a Sax. This was one of the workhorses of World War II, along with the Razorback. There was also a Bubble. I was just told that this was the heaviest single-seat airplane in World War II. Single-engine plane in World War II. It was 11,000 pounds empty, 22,000 pounds fully loaded. That is one big little plane. One of the interesting things is when the P47 would take off, the pilot would do zigzag. As he goes with what we call our nice Vailly run, taking the plane as low as possible. Nice big round. Start counting. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. Yes, that was a 100-mile-an-hour pass right above the grass. And that was pretty good. 100-mile-an-hour pass right across the grass. I'm a poet and don't know it. Again, we have all types of planes from around the world. We now have a gear pass, which pilots would do. Bleed off extra speed, pop gear. Looks like he's coming in. And for all those who are interested, in front of me there's this red plane. Here he comes on final, full flaps. Perfect touchdown. Let's give a hand for Mike Tranchitella and that beautiful flight. As I was saying earlier, this plane in front of me, this red plane, it's got, shall we say, grandfathers of this particular hobby. He's been around for years.